Minister Amit Shah has said the trade deal between the US and India will elevate strategic partnership between the two countries, paving the way for stronger trade ties and mutual growth. In fact, he took to social media as well, and here is what he went on to say. A big day for India-US relations as the trade deal has been locked with a significantly reduced tariff, going on to mention the 50% to 18% reduction. And then he says it paves a way for stronger trade ties and mutual growth of both the countries, saying I congratulated Prime Minister Modi and President Trump for this historic deal. So this trade deal between India and the United States being hailed as a historic deal, saying it will elevate our strategic partnership and greatly benefit both the nations. Now let's also get you the reaction of the man that has been in the midst of all the negotiations that have been going on. Union Minister Piyush Goyal welcoming the India-US trade deal, calling it a landmark moment in bilateral economic ties. He congratulated the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and also Donald Trump. Here is what he said. Congratulations to Prime Minister Modi and Donald Trump, as well as to the people of India and the United States on the landmark trade deal agreement. This reflects the power of two like-minded, fair trading democracies working together for shared prosperity. And he also goes on to say, grateful to Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and President Donald Trump for their visionary and decisive leadership and strong commitment to strengthening India-US ties. And he also says this unlocks the power of two large democracies. But